Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how you can replace a word with another word in your document by using one simple key or shortcut. So for example, here is the document and I want to replace the word adsorption with absorption. Okay, so instead of searching and reading the lines one by one, I can just go by one step, that is by pressing CTRL H. So I will just click on CTRL H and this box will appear to me. Okay, so it is asking what I need to find. So I will click on I will write here as adsorption. I need to find adsorption word throughout the document, and what I want to replace it with, I want to replace it with absorption. So this is the word with D, adsorption. It is a surface phenomena and I want to replace it with absorption with word with letter B. So I have to find adsorption word throughout the document and I want to replace adsorption word with absorption throughout the document. So after clicking CTRL H, I will write these words, whatever you want to replace the words in your document, and after doing this you can click on replace. After replacing this, you can see it has made 4 changes to your document. It means the word adsorption has been written 4 times in your document and it has now been replaced with word absorption. So you will click on OK and then you will close this box. So here you can see this word adsorption has been replaced with absorption. If you want to check the authenticity, either the word adsorption has been removed for the document or no, you can then go to CTRL F. Once you click on CTRL F, you will write it here as adsorption. So once you click here, it means it is showing here as no matches. It means no word adsorption is found in your document. So for further cross checking, you can write it here as absorption. So you can see 5 different words have been written in your document with name absorption. So this will be the cross checking of your replacement word with absorption. So here in this way, by using just CTRL H, you can replace word with your new word in your whole document, and for cross checking or its authentic checking, you can press CTRL F and then you can check the word that you have just replaced. So for checking more informative videos regarding the shortcut keys in your Word document for editing the data you have written, please follow Young Researchers channel. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your fellows so that others may also get benefit from it. So we will come with some more interesting topics in coming videos. Till then, Allah Hafiz.